Participating in pre-sales of cryptocurrencies can be a way to potentially profit, but it also involves risks. Here are some steps to consider if you're interested in making money from pre-sale crypto. 1. Research and due diligence. Carefully research the project that is offering the pre-sale. Look into the team, the technology, the use case, and the problem the project aims to solve. Assess the white paper to understand the project's goals, roadmap, and how it plans to achieve them. 2. Understand the token. Understand the purpose of the token being offered. Is it a utility token that will have a functional use within the project's ecosystem? Or is it a security token that represents ownership in the project? Know how the token will be used and its potential value proposition. 3. Evaluate tokenomics. Examine the tokenomics, which include the total supply of tokens, the distribution plan, and any vesting periods for team members and early investors. Analyze how the tokens will be released into the market and how this might affect the token's value. 4. Whitelist or KYC process. Some pre-sales require users to go through a Know Your Customer (KYC) process to ensure compliance with regulations. Make sure you follow these requirements. 5. Risk management. Investing in pre-sales carries risks, including the potential loss of your investment. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments to spread risk across multiple projects. 6. Timing and strategy. Participating in a pre-sale often means locking up your funds for a certain period. Understand the terms and conditions before committing. Consider your investment horizon. Are you looking for short-term gains or are you willing to hold for the long term? 7. Stay informed. Stay updated on the project's progress and any news related to it. Follow the project's official channels and community discussions. 8. Wallet and security. Make sure you have a secure wallet to receive the pre-sale tokens. Hardware wallets are often considered safer options. Be cautious of phishing scams and only use official channels to interact with the project. 9. Secondary market. After receiving pre-sale tokens, you might be able to trade them on secondary exchanges once they're listed. Be aware that prices can be volatile in the secondary market as well. 10. Legal and regulatory considerations. Depending on your jurisdiction, there might be legal and tax implications related to participating in pre-sales. Consult with legal and financial professionals if needed. Remember that investing in pre-sale crypto carries substantial risks, and the crypto market can be highly unpredictable. It's important to conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from experienced investors or professionals before making any investment decisions.